wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, how are you today?
Fine.
Are you happy for study today?
Happy.
Okay. How did you come here today?
I'm motorcycle.
Okay. By motorcycle, by car, or on foot. Yeah. Okay. Today we'll learn about transportation. Do you know what the meaning of transportation? No. Okay. Let's study about this. Yeah. Today we'll learn about transportation. Now. In this lesson, you will learn understanding transportation, different types of transportation, function of transportation. Okay, what is transportation? Transportation is a way or a means used by people to move one place to another. It's also used to transport goods. It makes daily life and economic activities smoother. Okay. Next, okay, I will show you the pictures. Okay. Do you know what transport it is? What transport is this? Car. Okay, car. Next, how about this? Helicopter. Next, how about this? Boat. Okay. Next, how about this? Bicycle. Okay, this. Foot on foot. Okay. Next, train. Okay. Next, plane. Okay. How about this? Ship. Okay. And this is a school bus or bus. Yes. How about this? Motorcycle. Okay. It is transport on land or water or air? On land. Okay. What about this? In the air, yeah? Okay. This one? Water. Okay. How about this? Land. Okay. This one? Land. How about this? Land. Next. How about this? In the air. Okay. This. Water. Okay. How about this? Land. Next. Land. Okay. Okay. Types of transportations. There are three types of transportation. The first one, land transportation. The second, water transportation. And the third, air transportation. Okay. We see land transportation. Land transportation involves vehicles that travel on roads or railway tracks. It is the most common type of transportation used for daily travel. Examples: car, motorcycle, bicycle, train, and bus. Okay, next. Water transportation. Water transportation is used for traveling across rivers, lakes, and oceans. It has been used for centuries for trade and travel. Okay, example: boat, ship, ferry, submarine. Okay. Next, how about air transportation? Air transportation is the fastest mode of travel, used for covering long distance quickly. Now, for example, plane, helicopter, airborne, and submarine. Okay, next. Now, function of transportation. The first of the function helps people travel quickly. Okay. Next, transport goods from one place to another. And the last, improve social and economic connections between regions. Okay. Next, when I ask you, how do you go to school? How do you go to school? How do you answer this question? Jadi use I go to school. We using a by car, for example. Okay, I go to school by car. Okay. How about when I ask you, how do you go to the market? How do you go to the market? I go to the market by I go to the market by motorcycle. Okay. We use by for explain the transportation. Okay. We use by and use I go like this. Let's practice. How do you go to blah 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 the place? The park, market, mall, school, beach. Okay, the place. Use this for the place. Next, I go. When you answer the question, you say I go to blah 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 place by and use the transportation. For example, I go to the beach by car. Okay? Lagi. Next, repeat again. How do you go to the park? I go to the park by motorcycle. Okay. We say by before transport. Okay? We say by before transport. For example, by bus, by car, by bus, by car, and by bike. Okay. Next, we do not say when you just walk, you say on foot. Okay. We do not say by walk, but you say on foot. Okay, like I go to the market on foot. When you walk to the market, you say by foot. Okay, on foot. You do not say by walk, but say on foot when you walk to the market. Yes? Are you understand? Okay. When you walk to the market, don't say by walk, but Okay, thank you. Next, we play the game. We play the game. Okay, I will see you the picture and I will ask you. Okay, there are two transportations. Which one go on land? Car. Okay, which one go on the sky? Okay, next. Which one go on land? Car and bicycle. Okay. Next. Which one go on land? Car. Which one go on the water? Boat. Okay. Okay, next we will play the game. I will act as the transportation, and you guess what transportation is this? Okay, are you understand? I will give you one example. Car. Okay. Motorcycle. Okay. Susan, please. Okay. Okay, bicycles. Next. What is this? Okay. Car. Okay, Andini. Let's practice. On foot. Okay. Plane or car?
Oh, anu. Kapal itu.
Sheep. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Today we learn about transportation and its importance in travel, trade, and daily life. Land, water, and air transportation keep us connected. See, okay. There are three types for transportation. The first one is land transportation. The second one is water transportation, and the last is air transportation. Can you give me example for land transportation? Car, motorcycle, and bicycle. Okay, for water transportation, ship, boat. Okay, and air transportation, airplane, plane, helicopter, means used by people to move one place to another place. Okay. I think it is enough for today. Any question?
No.
No. Okay. Thank you for today.